Hello everybody. Today on this video we're going to be making a mirror acrylic. Let's get started. Let's first start out with a bottle of water and some Baby Johnson shampoo. Just use as much as soap as you feel that's necessary. Now let's grab our holographic clear window film. We could only do this process with this particular type of film that's made from PET. After sizing up my film, I trim up the ends. The way I remove the backing film is putting the film in my mouth and grinding it between my teeth. Or you can also use tape on both sides and separating the film. The acrylic that I'm using is cast acrylic. As you can see, it's a clear acrylic. Now after your area is prepped and clean, spray on top of the acrylic with lots of water. Just make sure the area is clean because you don't want any dust or dirt between the film and the acrylic. Now after adjusting the film on top of the acrylic, spray soapy water on top so the squeegee can move around freely. Now squeegee the water out to the edges as much as possible. And when that's done, just trim up the edges if necessary. If your blade is getting dull, you can break it to get a nice sharp edge again. I'm putting masking tape on my film just to keep it from getting laser burn marks. Don't be like me using the rubber squeegee on my masking tape. I made this piece specifically for my masking tape. It works perfectly. This is my number one go-to material, dry eraser chalkboard. You can use glue. I'm using double-sided tape on the wording that's going to be on top. For me to get the best cut results, I'm masking up the front of the chalkboard so it doesn't burn. This white acrylic will be my second layer, so I'm just removing the plastic on both sides and putting double-sided tape. Now on to Illustrator. These will be my 3 layers that I'll be cutting for this project today. Now it's time to export to upload to the Glowforge website. Now after everything is cut, now it's time to unmask everything to get them ready for layering. Now you can see the true colors of the acrylic showing through. On this piece, the pieces that didn't fall through didn't get cut because the laser didn't cut through the 3M tape. Once I remove the 3M tape, they should fall off. Now this is how it looks like with a white background. In order to get your mirror effect, you have to have a black background. And the good thing about this project, you could change the background to whatever style you are looking for. It's not just one particular style. It's depending on the background that you use, it will determine the outcome of the project. If you have made it this far into the video, I would like to say thank you. And like always, stay connected because I have a lot more of these type of videos coming soon. And before I leave, I will have all the information needed in the description about this film and what to look for when buying this film, because not every film is safe to laser cut. It has to be PET grade or else it won't be laser safe.